Hey guys, morning, afternoon, or whatever time you're watching, welcome to my vlog. I am Jessica Mostolas from 11 News B, and for today's video, we will be talking about communication breakdown. Communication is a process beginning with a sender who encodes the message and passes it through some channel to be received by the receiver who encodes the message. Communication is fruitful only if the messages sent by the sender is understood by the receiver. If any kind of disturbance or any one of the elements of communication from the sender up to the receiver is defective, then the communication will be destroyed or will break down. As I said a while ago, a communication breakdown is defined as a failure to exchange information resulting into a lack of communication. Due to this, we will face severe problems. That's why we must locate such barriers and take steps to get rid of them. There are several barriers that affect the flow of communication. Thus, it's essential for us to overcome these barriers. So now, we will identify major barriers in communication and think about ways and tips to avoid and overcome them. Number 1, we have perceptual and language differences. Generally, everyone wants to receive messages that are significant to them. But any messages that is against their values is not accepted because same event might be taken differently by different individuals. For example, a student was excused or didn't go to school for a month due to her father being hospitalized. Some of her subject teachers might be in confusion whether to retain that student or not. Then, the immediate teacher might think of just dropping her out because her grade is at disadvantage, while the side of her family members might take her as an emotional support. Additionally, linguistic differences also leads to communication breakdown. Like same words may mean different to others. For example, let's consider the word sign. For the first sentence, we have headaches may be a sign of stress, while for the second one, you forgot to sign the document. Comparing the two sentences, the word sign means different. That's why communication breakdown occurs if there is a wrong perception by the receiver. Number 2 is information overload. Everyone is surrounded with a pool of information. It's essential for us to control the information flow, or it will be likely misinterpreted, forgotten, or even overlooked, resulting to a less effective communication. Third, we have emotions. Emotional state at a particular point of time also affects communication. If the receiver feels that the communicator is sad or angry, he will interpret the information being sent to be very bad, while he takes it differently if the communicator is happy and cheerful. In this case, he will interpret the message to be very happy and interesting. Number 4 is poor retention. Human brain cannot function beyond a limit. One can always retain what is being told, especially when they are not interested or inattentive, leading to breakdown in communication. For example, you were told about your friend coming to see you before a month and had been given the person's name, address, and cell phone number. Now, you have to communicate the information to somebody else. However, at the time, you only remembered the name and address and had forgotten the cell phone number. The truth change or distort due to the poor retention, which act as a barrier to the communication. And lastly, we have distractions or noise. Communication is also affected a lot by noise to distractions. Physical distractions are also there, like the use of loudspeakers interferes communication. Now that we identified the major barriers in communication, let's have an overview. Here are some ways or tips to correct communication breakdowns when you are in the middle of them. Number 1 is slow down. Probably the most popular response to communication breakdowns is rushing to resolve everything as fast as possible. However, people aren't motivated to think something is important when we want to rush it. It is when we slow down that everyone understands something is important enough to take time figuring it out. Number 2 is be patient. Communication breakdowns are frustrating, and leading out of them is hard. That's why without patience, it will